In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a line to an apparent intersection in AutoCAD. This is a handy skill to have in your toolkit, especially when working in precision-driven fields like architecture or engineering, where every line counts and efficiency is key. Extending lines to intersections can streamline your workflow and help maintain accuracy in your designs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your drawing open in AutoCAD and be sure that the lines or objects you intend to work with are visible. This is important for ensuring precision and allows you to clearly see how each modification impacts your drawing. Now let's move forward with the command part. Direct your attention to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace. Type in the word extend. This is the command that will allow us to elongate our lines so that they meet other lines or objects in your drawing. After typing extend, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This initializes the command, and you'll notice that your cursor changes to indicate that the command is active. Next, you need to select the lines that you wish to extend. This step is crucial because it determines which lines will lengthen to reach the objects or lines at the apparent intersection. Use your mouse to click on the line segment you want to extend. When selecting, ensure that these lines will be intersecting effectively with another line or object in your workspace. If you have multiple lines you'd like to extend, you can click each one individually while holding down the Shift key to make multiple selections. Once you have your desired line selected, simply complete the command by pressing Enter once again. This tells AutoCAD you are finished with your selections and that it should execute the extension based on your input. As soon as you do this, you'll see the lines snap to the apparent intersection with the other selected lines or objects. And there you have it. Remember, practice makes perfect, particularly with nuanced tools like AutoCAD. So if you don't get it right the first time, keep practicing. Ensure you zoom in to evaluate the precision of the intersection and make adjustments if necessary. This method provides an efficient way to manage complex diagrams and designs, saving you extra steps and ensuring your lines are perfectly aligned. That wraps up the process of extending lines to apparent intersections in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your future projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.